Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness a Lifestyle, and I am getting to you guys another Michael Kors handbag review. And this is a handbag which is pretty similar to the other ones that I've shared with you guys. So very similar. Just it's like a summer color. So there is the bag. I actually have dust bags for all of them, so I just store them like that. And I've not used this bag at all, so it's still with the tags and everything, because for a long time I thought whether I should like sell it, keep it. I thought for a long time, because I felt like it was so bright color, like everybody will be looking at me if I wear it. So I wanted to sell it, so I kept it like that for a long time. But I do love the bag, especially because of the hardware. So let me show you guys. There it is, beautiful blue color. It's called I think electric blue. It's the same east-west tote as the other ones I've shared. I've already shared like the Dune one, and then the other one which was the luggage color, and both of them one I got at Macy's and the other one at Dillard, so both were at retail stores. But I showed you guys like they had like slight difference. I got this tote at TJ Maxx, but so I got it at a very good discounted price. It is exactly same price as the other ones. Like I still have the tag here, but I have removed the TJ Maxx tag because I was thinking of like selling it for a while, so that's why I kept it just like that. But you can see I've not removed this Michael Kors tag in here, and it says it is 248, same as the other two, and it is exactly the same. I've seen the code on it and the code or the serial number, right? That one and the name, everything is the same. It's electric blue, east to west, top zip, leather tote, and again Saffiano leather, really good leather. And I really love these totes from Michael Kors. I love them. So this is not a color I was looking for, but because it was on, I found it at TJ Maxx for a good price, and that's why I got it. So I don't remember exactly, but probably I paid like $115. That's what I'm thinking. So really beautiful. So let me show you. So this is with the silver hardware. Michael Kors written there, and then you can see on the zips also there is Michael Kors on the zip. On both the sides you will find like Michael Kors, and the same as the other ones, like this has also 4 legs, and then again you will see Michael Kors written on them, around them. And then even on these buckles here, you can see on the side, one side there will be is my written Michael Kors. And let me show you guys inside. Oh, and then this beautiful, I love this piece here. I don't like the big MK logos, but this one is nice. Then let me show you guys here. Inside it's pretty much the same as any Michael Kors bag, right? Now this is exactly like no difference at all, same as the one I've got at Macy's. So you see the fabric inside, like it has that Michael Kors Yamke written everywhere, and then there is the tag here. Let me show you guys here. Not the tag, what is this? The Michael Kors logo, leather logo thingy here. And you'll see the fabric, you can see much close right now. It's all like written MK like that. So, and it's that silky fabric inside, so it's really nice. So it has same way as the others. It has like 2 pockets here, 1, 2, and then it has same 2 pockets outside here, and then the zip compartment. And then even that also same thing actually, even the zip, what is this, the zipper, this one is a leather thing inside. Yeah, that's a leather thing. So it is exactly same as my Michael Kors tote from Macy's. So in TJ Maxx, the good thing is you can actually find outlet bags, you can find what is that, the retail bags. So because or the bags which are like out of season, or they're not able to sell in some other stores, all those kind of bags come to TJ Maxx. So that's why you can find variety of bags in TJ Maxx. You can find all kinds. So that's it. Like these pockets, you all know, like you really can't put much anything in here. You probably like can put like napkin, pen, or whatever, but not like because you know it's very hard to get in and out of these pockets. So it's more like, I feel like more for the look. So that's it. Let me give you a closer shot, kind of show you closely. There, the Michael Kors. I'm sorry guys, I don't have nail polish on. There's the Michael Kors zipper has the Michael Kors on it. And then even the buckle I was telling you where it is. Yeah, look at that here. You will see it's written Michael Kors here. So all of them are the same. And then even here, if you see very closely, it's Michael Kors on the legs. So really pretty bag. Let me show you guys. I love this dress. I got this at Ross actually, and I love it. I love the length and everything. So this is how the bag looks, and let me put it on. So I have put it in the last one here, but you can make it a little more longer, the shoulder, this thing. But since you know I'm just 5, I don't want to make it like longer. I like when it touches like this, because then I feel like I'm keeping everything safe. So that's why I like it shorter like that. So it looks, and the thing is, when I'm like walking back here, I really can't see the viewfinder, so I don't know like how much I'm covering it. So that's it guys. Really simple tote. They're classic totes from long back. Now they are having like variety of handbags. I don't know, I've not yet fallen in love with any style, the recent styles. Beautiful handbag. Hope you guys like my video, and I will see you in my next video. That's all for today. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. See you in my next video. Bye guys.